This video demonstrates how to power on and set up Wi-Fi on the Xerox B235 multifunction printer. Press the power button to turn the B235 printer on. The printer is fully powered on when the indicator light is blue and the printer name displays on the control panel. The setup wizard automatically opens. English is selected as the language. To select a different option, scroll up or down on the menu. Touch Next. Add User Account allows you to add an administrator. Refer to the user guide for more information. Touch Set Up Later. On the Select Country Region screen, United States is selected. Scroll to select a different option. Touch Next. On the wireless setup screen, touch Set Up Now. The printer searches for all available networks. Scroll down the menu until you find your network. Touch the network name. On the password screen, type your network password using the on-screen keyboard. Touch OK. The printer automatically connects to the network and displays the connection was successful. Touch OK. The final setup screen confirms the printer is connected to Wi-Fi. Touch OK. The top bar displays a check mark next to the Wi-Fi symbol and displays the date, time, and the printer IP address. The Wi-Fi setup is complete.